I'm at the point where I'm about to just stop eating meat, period, man, because the news just put out some information about a newer strain that came out that's affecting cows now. You know, I done been to Big Y 3 weeks in a row, and there's been no eggs. No eggs. So I'm at the point where I'm about to just stop eating meat.
Friday.
You know what I'm saying? Need to start eating more, need to start eating more fruits and vegetables and cutting out the meat, man. I'm at the point where that's what I want to do. Because they're playing with us. They already got Bill Gates buying up farms and making fake meat. That's where they're headed. This isn't the first time the bird flu has came up. The bird flu has always been a thing, but it's looking like it's going to be the next pandemic. That's what it's looking like. And I feel like this is done on purpose. You know, this is only my opinion, my thoughts. I don't know for a fact what's going on, but I feel like, you know what I'm saying, something has been done with these birds. A scientist has tampered with the birds. I don't know if you ever went to a park, you ever see geese or swan, you see they got their ears tagged or taggings on them. You know, scientists do track birds. They have been doing this. Now, I'm not saying every person that tracks birds is for negativity. Sometimes they monitor this for agricultural reasons, for habitat reasons, and stuff like that. And also to see if they have any sicknesses, because they obviously don't want the birds spreading sicknesses, you know, to other animals. But I definitely believe man has played a part. The scientific man has played a part in this whole bird flu up and coming pandemic. For sure. Because, you know, all the STDs that we have, a lot of these sicknesses, these different viral sicknesses and flus definitely were created in labs. 100% were created in labs. So yeah, man, I'm at that point, man. I'm at that point where I'm already starting to head in that direction. I already was talking to my girlfriend. We were talking about in spring starting a garden. You know what I'm saying? I kind of just want to head into that direction, man. You know, you can get a lot of protein from beans, a lot of protein from spinach. You know, I'm gonna start incorporating more protein shakes. You know what I'm saying? What almond milk? I've been drinking almond milk. You know, so yeah, man. Not for nothing, a lot of dairy products make you real mucusy. You know, if you already have some type of sinus infection and stuff, it makes it worse. So, but yeah, man, like I told y'all, man, we on the way to pick up something, man. It's crazy, man. A lot of sneakers that re-release, you can't always predict. You can't always predict if a shoe is gonna go on sale. You can't always predict what the resale market is gonna be. You know, last year was really a crazy year for sneakers. And there are still some sneakers out there that are floating around that are really good pairs, made very well, really good quality, and they're on sale. They're under retail, you know. So take advantage. You know, take advantage. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a pair of SBs, man, that are going for under retail that I really like from this skate shop. And your boy's actually passing on the metallic 5s tomorrow. I'm picking up a pair for somebody else. I need to get a size 13 for somebody else, but for me personally, I am not grabbing them. I will do a detailed video of me waiting in line, picking those up, and I will review the sneaker, but I do not need those shoes. I'm passing. And tomorrow we will get into why I'm passing, which is, I have very good reasons why I'm passing. But yeah, man, the BHM dunks that are coming out March 1st, the Black History Month dunks, I already did a short talking about them, but man, oh man, I'm looking forward to those. I like those way more than the black metallic 5s. You know, as far as Jordan sneakers, man, I really started collecting off of pairs that I remember when I was young, when I was in elementary, middle school, high school. You know, and watch out behind you. And the black metallic 5 was not a pair that I remembered. So, you know, that's just not a shoe. And I sold it. I sold my black metallic 5s probably 3 years ago. I sold them. So I definitely don't need them now. You know? I wasn't wearing them then. They were brand new when I sold them. So what do I need to grab another pair for it to just sit up in the closet and create dust? That's all that's gonna happen. So yeah, man, there's definitely a lot of other shoes that I want more. So yeah, man, I'll see y'all when we get to the skate shop. All right, guys. So before we get to the skate shop, boy was hungry, man. I came to this place. Let me show y'all real quick. I used to come here all the time, but I stopped coming, man. It's a little small-owned business. Small-owned businesses are the best, I swear. See that closed sign? We came right before they closed. Literally. They literally just closed. They served me and one other girl, and that was it. But they make their bagels in-house fresh. every morning. I got the cinnamon raisin. What they had left, they had like the cinnamon raisin French toast. They had poppy seed. They have all type. They even make like sriracha. They make all their stuff fresh. They have egg bagels. Wifey got her French toast, but I got the cinnamon raisin with the turkey sauces, man. We got the white cheddar cheese. And for both of these sandwiches, I got the turkey sauce, egg and cheese. She got the egg and cheese with the hash brown. For both of them, it was like 12 something, like 12, a little over 12 bucks. So not bad at all. Just like I remember. All right, now we're gonna get to the skate shop. Just like New York City, man, New Haven is known for the big buildings, man, the huge buildings. They made a lot of changes down here, man. Put a lot of restaurants, doing a lot of construction. Look at that building right there that says Smoothie Foundation Garbage. You can tell that's an old building. Been here for years. You got a resale store right here. They actually have another location as well. I don't know how they doing good, man, because this is a very poor area. You can just see how quiet it is, man. And you can say, oh, it's because it's early. Bro, it's a Friday. It is 12:30 in the afternoon on a Friday. You see how this is downtown. Usually it's booming. That's what I said. I don't see that resale sneaker store being here too much longer. See that building right there I zoomed in? That used to be a Foot Locker a while ago. And the Foot Locker had to leave because it wasn't doing too good down here either. So yeah, in my opinion, bad business decision. Even this skate shop, man. I know this skate shop we about to pull up on isn't doing too well either.
Your destination is on the right.
And here it is right here, man. We ought to pull up in there.
I could have public parked in there.
If you want, you could go out, pull up. No, take it right here. Take it right on the street. Here they are, Nike SB stickers, all the good stuff. Let's go in here. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? Good. How are you? I seen this pair of Dunks online that I want. The City of Cinemas said you had 11. 11? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what they got here, guys. I don't see the City of Cinemas out here on display though for some reason, but they had them online. So check them out, guys. Give them real skaterish. They got their brand sweatshirts. They got these skater jeans. Really, really nice. Really, really good quality. They got some more hoodies over here. I like this hoodie. This is nice. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, please. All right, guys. So we got them, man. Success. So I showed you their brand, man. I think next week I'm gonna come back and pick up a couple pieces. That was actually, today is their launch day of their brand. And I'm gonna show you again downtown. It's extremely dead, man. Nobody, especially this side street. I grew up here in New Haven. I don't live here anymore, but I've lived here a majority of my life. And let me tell you, man, I've never seen it this dead. And I'm gonna tell you about this street in general. This street doesn't get much traffic for that type of business. So as far as their launch brand, their clothing, I don't think it's gonna really do too well. I don't think that store in general is really gonna do too well. But while they're here, I'm gonna take advantage and get what I can. So. Alright guys, so y'all probably already seen this shoe, but let me show it to y'all. Show it to y'all now. Whoa, what are you doing? This lady almost hit our car with her door. You see that, right? Yeah, it's on camera. Y'all seen that? She tripping. Got the cork material, got this like nice corduroy material. Gold lace tips. Man, these are clean, man. The insoles. These are the City of Cinemas. You know what I'm saying? These are crazy. These are crazy. Like I said, man, I may come back in like 2 weeks and grab another pair just to hold. I don't care because this shoe will definitely go up in the near future for sure.
Go straight.
So guys, I just stumbled upon this. Like I told y'all, that logo is the same logo from the store I just came from. So that's what drew me to this store. It smells good in here. You got some insets going in here, man. As y'all can see, got it smelling real good. New Haven has definitely changed, guys.
Some vintage action, $10 rack. Let's see if we can find something up here, man. In your boy size. Need that extra large. Look at that. This is clean, bro. I'm grabbing this one for sure. Yankees vintage joint. That's hard. That's tough too. I like that. But it ain't my size. Little bike week tee. This is tough too. 2015. That's vintage. Dream Theater. That's hard. That's hard, bro. I'm grabbing this. I don't know what size it is, but it looked like it'll fit. Alright, so we have Forever 21, guys. But this is a Forever 21 discount store. So I actually love this store. So everything you see, the price tag, is even cheaper. Look, they even got a they even have a $5 rack over here, man. Zip up. This is hard, man. I love white girls. Yeah, that's all my other ones are zip ups. This is from, wait, get on my camera, first of all. Second of all, this is from Walmart. I remember I got a gray one and a tan one here. They're zip ups. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this too. I don't know how much it is, but I like that. My girlfriend yelling at me, she like, stop buying shit. All right. She right though. I really do need to stop buying stuff. But guys, I have a problem. We have a problem. We have a problem. But I am passing on. She got to remember that I'm passing on black metallics. So, cause she give me a little break, a little leeway. These are clean, bro. I like these. These are really clean. But I'm just thinking if I need them. Like, do I really need them? Actually, I do. I do need these. They got an extra large. I'm gonna grab these too. Yeah, XL. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these guys and get out of here. See guys, that hoodie was only $5. I told y'all, man. Told you about this store. Everything is cheaper than what the tag is. This is a clearance store. So $5 for that hoodie, you can't beat it. Let's see what everything else rings up to. Yeah, so that was regular price. Those black and white pants are regular price. I think this sweatsuit's gonna be cheaper than the price tag too. Let's see. I forgot my receipt. Sorry, 16. All right, guys. So that's gonna complete the video, man. So y'all saw. We talked a little bit about the bird flu. There's not too much more to talk about that. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all what I want to do. Showed y'all what we ate. First meal. That was the first meal of the day. The bagel. Bro, my allergies are crazy. Also, I want to say I know I sounded congested at the beginning of the video because I am. My allergies are crazy. I'm not sick, but definitely my allergies. And picked up the dunks. Why am I repeating everything that we did in this video? Y'all saw everything we did in this video, man. Look for a Forever 21 clearance store, because just in general, not just because things is clearance, but just because of the fact that I like that Spider-Man jacket, but I'm not gonna go look at it. Just because of the fact that my second time going here, I've noticed that the clearance store has better stuff than the regular Forever 21 store. I've noticed that. So try to find a clearance store, guys. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by hitting the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace and love.